Do you know that you might be able to resolve iPad keeps turning off and on by itself problem without going to the Apple Store? Try these tricks and tips. First way. Force restart iPad. Click and hold down the wake/sleep button and the home button simultaneously. Keep on holding down the button combination until you are able to see an Apple logo displaying on the screen. Second way. Charge your iPad. You only need to drain off the iPad battery completely first. Then charge it to 100% with the original charger. Third way. Repair iPad system with FoneGeek. FoneGeek iOS System Recovery is an amazing tool that will not only get your iPad back to a working state but also enhance its performance for future. Download and install this program on your computer and follow the steps to start troubleshooting.